Good morning, everybody. So today we're going to talk about whether or not a triangle can even exist. Okay, that becomes an issue sometimes. So, all right, our question today is: can any three lengths make a triangle? Can you take any three pieces, any three sticks, and make a triangle? Is that an actual thing you can do? So to answer this question, can you take any three sticks and make a triangle? I devised a few little tests for us to do. So the next question says, what about sticks that are 2 inches, 2 inches, and 5 inches? Okay, well I happen to have that. I have two 5-inch sticks here. Two 2-inch sticks and one 5-inch stick. So if this is going to work, I need to make one end touch this side and one end touch this side. And then I have to make these two ends touch, and that is just not gonna happen. Okay, these two just end up kind of laying there, and that's not gonna work. So the answer is no. So that means the answers up here to both of these must be no. But why? Well, I think the most obvious thing to say is that these two smaller sticks just aren't long enough. So we could start off with that. We could say that, let's see, we could say that, how about 2 plus 2 is less than 5. That's the problem. All right, they're not long enough. If they were the same length, maybe it would work. So maybe on this next one. So this next one says a 1 inch, a 2 inch, and a 3 inch. Okay, well let's see about that. So we got a 1 inch, a 2 inch, and a 3 inch. Sorry, I can't get hold of that 1 inch. It's not cooperating. There you go. All right, so 1 inch, a 2 inch, and a 3 inch. So we're going to take these, make these ends touch like that. We're going to take these and make these ends touch like that. I don't know. If I bring these down, they actually end up just kind of laying on top of each other like that too. They are also not long enough. So again, well, it's not that 1 plus 2 is less than 3, because it's not. 1 plus 2 equals 3. It needs to be bigger. This is no, because 1 plus 2 equals 3. They need to be bigger than 3. So this next one, a 2, a 3, and a 4. So here's my 3 inch, my 2 inch, and my 4 inch. So there's 4 inch. There's 2 inch. There's 3 inch. Aha! We have ourselves a triangle. All right, so this actually works. A 2 plus 3 is greater than 4. Yes, because 2 plus 3 is greater than 4, and you can make a triangle. So there is a rule, and the rule says that for a triangle to exist, the two smaller sides, it's an official decree here, have to add up to be more than the longest sides. In theorems about triangles, we always use the letters A and B to represent the two smaller sides, and C represents the longest side. If you've ever dealt with the Pythagorean theorem, you know that already. So the rule for triangle existence is very simple. A plus B has to be bigger than C. All right, that's the rule. All right, so let's do this real quick. Let's knock some of these out and see, are these actual triangles? Well, we already did this one. 2 plus 3, the two smaller sides, 2 plus 3 is greater than 4. And so circle it if we can make a triangle. 1, 2, and 3 we already did. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Draw a line through it. 4 plus 4, two smaller sides, is equal to 8. So draw a line through it. That cannot be a triangle. Man, they like these. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So nope, can't do that. In fact, that was the first one we did, I believe. No, it was 2, 2, and 5. Not that. All right. But 7 plus 10 is definitely bigger than 2. Wait. Oh, they're out of order. See that? You gotta it'd be tricky. So remember, the two smaller sides are A and B. So this would be 2 plus 7 is less than 10. So this is a no. It does not make a triangle. Same thing here. So it'd be 6 plus, but 6 plus 13 is bigger than 18. So that is a triangle. And, well, what's my smaller side? What's my two smaller sides? Obviously 4 is one of them. Is 5 the next one? You got to know what the square root of 17 is. You don't have to know exactly, you just have to know about. Okay? So if you get a calculator and you type that in, the square root of 17 is going to be 4 point something. Okay? And since it's 4 point something, we don't have to figure it out exactly because that means it's less than 5. You know, it's about 4.12, I guess. And that is definitely going to be bigger than 5. You can make a triangle with that. All right, as for this one, well, we know the square root of 17 is 4.12 about. The square root of 21, it's still in the 4, I know that. It's about 4.58. So if I add, those are definitely smaller than 9, so if I add those together, that is still going to be less than 9. And so no, that does not make a triangle. All right, so you got to be real careful. The square roots are nothing to be afraid of, excuse me. They're real easy to deal with. You just got to type them in the calculator. They're also known as radicals, so if you hear that word, don't freak out. That's what they are. Anyways, let's take a look at the back, and hopefully you will see something real easy here. So we've got these sides, and we want to do what is the third possible side? Well, takes a little bit of figuring on this to get this, but you know, after we do these first two, I think it'll be real easy to see. So basically, there are 3 sides to the triangle. We're given 2 of them. We got to figure out what the third side could be. Not what it is, but what it could be. So that means that, let's say that the number was less than 2. Okay? Or let's just start throwing numbers out. Could the number be 8? No. Because 2 plus 4 is 6. It has to be, you know, somewhere less than that. So 6, could it be 6? No, can't be 6, because 2 plus 4 is not bigger than 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. So it has to be less than 6. So 5? Yeah. What about 5.5? 2 plus 4, is that bigger than 5.5? Absolutely. So it's 6 on this end, on the high end. And let's talk about how low it could go. Could it be 1? No, because 1 plus 2 is not bigger than 4. Could it be 2? No, because 2 plus 2 is not bigger than 4. But it could be 3, because 3 plus 2 is bigger than 4. Could it be 2.5? 2.5 plus 2 is bigger than 4. So it could be 2.1, but it can't be 2. So our cutoff on this end is 2. So here's how we write this. The x, the other number, is somewhere between 2 and 6. That is how we write that. Okay. Same thing over here, 12 and 20. Okay, well, could it be 30? Yes, because 12 plus 20 is greater than 30. Could it be 40? Nope, because 12 plus 20 is less than 40. Could it be 35? No. 32? Well, that equals, 12 plus 20 equals 32. 31, it could be 31, because 12 plus 20 is greater than 31. Could it be 31.5? Yes. 31.9? Yes. So 32 is our cutoff. And then going the other direction, could it be, I don't know, 5? 5 plus 12 is not greater than 20. Could be 10. 10 plus 10, yes. So somewhere between 5 and 10. Could it be 7? 7 plus 12 is not greater than 20. No. 8. 8 plus 12 equals 20. So 8.5 would work. 8.1 would work. Just not 8. It's going to be somewhere between these two numbers. And so 8 less than x less than 32. Now, I want you to look at these two numbers and look at these two numbers. Look at these two numbers and look at these two numbers. Okay, so better would be look at these two numbers and the number we came up with there. Look at these two numbers and the number we came up with there. Look at these two numbers and the number we came up with there. Look at these two numbers and the number we came up with there. So what I'm hoping you're seeing is to get the low end, all you do is subtract. To get the high end, all you do is add. And so that's what we have to do. So on this one, 5 minus 12, or 12 minus 5 is 7. And 5 plus 12 is 17. And 14 minus 7 is 7. Less than x, less than. And 7 plus 14 is 21. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 4 plus 9 is 13. Ooh, yuck. Decimals. 5.7 minus 1.5 is 4.2. And 5.7 plus 1.5 is 7.2. Yep, I had to look at that again. 32 and 84 on the low end, that would be 52. Really? Yeah, that would be. And on the high end, it would be 116. 25 and 84. On the low end, that would be 59. On the high end, it'd be 109. Is that right? 59 plus 25 is 84. And 25 plus 84, that's 109. Is this right then? I just feel like something's off, but I guess not. Okay, moving on. So, 42 and 42. 42 minus 42 is 0. Less than x, less than 84. Now, if you're wondering about that one, that means two sides are 42. And this last side could be as little as 1. This could be 42 and this could be 42. That last little side right there is going to be 1. All right, or 0.1. You know, it could be anything but 0. It has to be something, but it could be as little as, you know, just a tiny little bit. As for this one, 17.8 and 12.9 would be 4.9. Less than x, less than, and we add those together, we get 30.7, I believe. I did that right in my head. Yeah, 30.7. All right, so that is the existence of triangles, whether or not triangles exist, and how to test it, and good luck.